All right, fellas, greetings to everybody. We know that everyone is fine. We are also good. We are also good. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for being part of the School of Critical Thinking and Logical Reasoning. Yɛda mo nyinaa mo ase obi bi a wagyina ha na wɔhwɛ yɛn yɛsrɛ wo yɛnim sɛ wagyina ha yi wobɛstɔpe by na wabɛyɛ part of the School of Critical Thinking and Logical Reasoning. It won't take you anything to be part of the School of Critical Thinking and Logical Reasoning. Just follow us. As you follow us, you also like the video. Uh, the School of Critical Thinking needs to develop. I will say expand it. Na education the mass no. The amamu. Okay, so fellas, recently we came to make a video about how important our water bodies are and the job employment we talked in the conversation we didn't come off two things be home. We says you can say about the home come very detailed. You can say desalination using desalination plant can also create a job for Ghana. And yes, like I said, our aquatic if we grow aquatic weeds and also to me provide job opportunities for Ghana. And so the pictures that you have right here and you did home common that is the desalination plant and the aquatic weed. So yeah, share a soro let's look at the weed here. On say in no any nwura bi tete ni kakra. Okay. Saa nwura we common, very common. Yesusua no ye kuro mu wo say na enua we say anasa haban we na bi dida ensuo no ene unhu bi wo ba bia. Wohwe mensa if you look at my right hand we have aquatic weeds also there. Haban bi trantran ketenkete bi na tete ensuo ni. That is what is called the aquatic weeds. And na wohwe ba bia meti no wona where my head is just right there, right? You will see say according to say factory B, yes, that is desalination plant. And the cost involved. It's a yensu you say yensu organic in our say, but enkechi, okay? You better the cost of say ye kase ye the desalination plant in Bagana. Cost say na di bemaye. And aquatic weeds so no say ye practice ni dua aquatic weeds bebre and ye mama for ejuma by some dua aquatic weeds e wo yensu ho a there benefit benebenya ye behwe all these things right here. So let's quickly go to the cost involved in setting up the desalination plants. Say Ghana ye betima ye and ayentimi. So let's quickly go there and do it right now. So fellas, let's continue quickly. Okay. Right now, Yahoo, what is desalination plants? Yahoo say air machines. Anyways, now we are going to look at the cost involved in setting up a desalination plant. Share, say you're going to buy small scale planter. You fan say a poano yebesibu ho, near besibu kumase, near sibu bono ahafo. Yes, Western region. So the cost that would be given or will be involved in setting up a desalination plant $1 million to $10 million depending on the capacity of OPE. Okay, depending on the capacity of OPE. If you look at medium scale, it is $10 million to $100 million. Or called to large scale, it is $100 million to $500 million. But I am taking the small scale. If as a Ghana in this camp, we can do it. Okay. Now let's go and look at say you setting up desalination planter. A juma a beye, juma di a bit medi. Let's go and look at it and talk about it. Remember, say ye didn't come out far. A year the natural resources of Ghana. How Ghana say me ni ko ho ebetima yusu na aboa ye na ye kuro no the country Ghana develop it and ye hwe no one after the other. And no more ya to atwini bebre. So let's be fast forward and go and talk about the Jumedie pa the desalination plant ebabedi ediamai. So let's go over there and see. Let's continue. Juma desalination plant see you're setting up in Ghana ebeyamaye ebeba fresh water no drinking water industrial process use agriculture irrigation municipal supplies. Okay, a bit my base bedroom point to be na Krubia or Mochi Hoshia or Musuhia and so we can supply it and as a Krubu or Ghana normal being koye and we need super party say northern region in the asset fund, we can supply it. Then in your industrial water so a bit mabua and no cooling systems, okay, you bet me ye desalinate so na a bit me a be cool the system, I mean machines need a kaka home, okay. The on textile manufacturing eka yeah higher home kofa that be we can use it to manufacture a entire any normal yetimi share or Ghana ha. Now mineral water, of course, when we say mineral water, I think you barely know, I mean you know it, we know what mineral water is. But there's one important thing in Kibeti Menya film. Do you know there's a Kibeti Menya salt film? Of course, yes. Salt. Cheseka ebe buye so our Ghana. And also be juma people will do it. Salt ni benya fi betimi di preserve aduane ye betimi the industrial processes. I think road the ice in the enye ya ha baby to say South Africa baby nkrunkura snow toho. So let's quickly. Okay, so if you are continuing, fellas, the desalination too can help us to get magnesium and other minerals. I bet me in terms of you bet me a drew, okay, a drew I know the emrophone de bano. It can create a pharmaceutical big pharmaceutical industry. A bet me as also you use desalination a boy me hydrogen. Na hydrogen no the purpose of it is to help a very well hydrogen can be used to revert to clean energy sources. In fact, hydrogen we don't have much in Ghana. We can even produce our own hydrogen to help ourselves. Now the most important one, Ambekano, it can also bring out potable water for special purpose. Maybe to say dialysis. Unse we normally also be area na say especially kidney problem. Dialysis we no no ene etimi say ye use what we're going to get, the benefit we're going to get minuanom dialysis no say yetimi yenya dialysis water na ye normal kidney problem bia wo bia it will be off a baby kidney problem bia through system. Of course you betimi inside there pharmaceutical water so you betimi ensu a say pharmaceutical onoma na asaw yare Ghana nsu no ye ba bedi ho nkomo later on about Ghana yensu ye quality of water no yes and we'll come and talk about it very soon. Now let's continue with the aquatic weeds and see what's with aquatic weed also. Okay, so finally, fellas, we are looking at a normal genasomie kase growing in sued woman a papa. And then they say finally, yes, okay. So we look at the dissolved oxygen. Now you have biochemical oxygen. Now you have ammonium nitrogen. Now you have the fecal coliform. The fecal coliform I just say physics near year free and one in the power. Then we look at the pH level of the water. And Ghana has the best, even though so now polluting and we have the best water body still in the continent. Okay, so let's look at the area or the importance of our water bodies are diagram. So let's quickly go and look at it. Okay, so fellas, let's look at said yensu esietima say our Ghana. We share dissolved oxygen. We are supposed to have about 5 milligram per liters, but looking at it is below 5. And then if you look at the biochemical oxygen, is below 2 milligram per liter. And in fact, Ghana, we are doomed. We need to do something about this before it's too late. All right, so fellas, we will meet again. Thank you very much for a wonderful time. Please, if this is your first time, please kindly follow the School of Critical Thinking and Logical Reasoning. We will meet again. Bye-bye.